LA Girl eye pencils and see their swatches, I will show you everything about it. But first of all, let me know if you're a metallic or a matte eyeliner person, which do you prefer? I have honestly always preferred metallics, but recently I've been really into mattes. I think maybe because they started to do more interesting mattes than they used to before. We have 3 metallic eye pencils here and 3 neon matte series. Let me first show you the swatches and then we'll see how to sharpen the pencil. So for metallics we have Limelight, Paradise Purple and Royal Blue. Let's take a good look. I love this shade. So spring green makes me think of spring. Now the Paradise Purple is an iridescent purple with its slightly bluish shift. And then the Royal Blue is indeed very royal. Now these metallic ones, they last fairly well on oily lids, but not the best. So let's say for half a day they are fine. For the whole day, not really. You might have to retouch them. However, if you wear them with like an eyeshadow, that's of course fine. Or if you are ready to retouch them, they work as well. I actually do wear them even for the whole day, but I know that I will need to work in them in the middle of the day sometime. Then we have the Neon series Gotcha, Vivid and Fresh. Let's take a look at those. Do they actually show up? Oh yes, they do. Very neonish. Also makes me think of spring. I guess my mind is just set on spring. Then this is a warmer kind of purple. So unlike this one, which is a very cool purple, this is a kind of magenta leaning purple. And this Fresh is a bright turquoise, and this is the one that has never been sharpened yet, so I haven't been using it much. And let's start with this one. So you see how this thing kind of seems plastic around the pencil, and you might be wondering if you need to pull something out of here and, you know, sharpen it like an automatic pencil or twist it up. No, you don't need to twist it up. Oh, I love the close-up swatches, by the way. Oh, they show up so beautiful. What you need is a cosmetic pencil sharpener. Now, this is essential that it's a cosmetic one of a regular pencil size, and you don't worry, don't be afraid. Insert the pencil here. You won't break the sharpener. You won't break the pencil. Start slowly turning it. See, this thing is peeling. No worries, the pencil is fine. The pencil is okay. It's not an automatic one, it's actually a very much sharpenable one. See, let's sharpen it a little bit more. I feel like the tip is still not sharp enough. So it is essential that the pencil is, the pencil sharpener is for cosmetic pencil. Otherwise, it might break your soft cosmetic pencils. And just as another example, let's use the Limelight Metallic shade, and this has already been sharpened, but we can always sharpen it a little bit more. It's slightly blunt already. Getting sharper. So the sharpeners that are designed for pencils used to draw on paper, they are not suitable for cosmetic pencils because the cosmetic pencils are much softer and they break very easily. See how the tip is sharp? And now we've got 2 pencils with sharp tips that are absolutely fine and not broken. And no, you cannot twist them here. Thumbs up if you like this video and let the metallics vs the mattes eyeliner battle begin. Who's gonna win in the comments? Go vote quick! No, I'm really very curious to see. And if you want to see what you can do with the eyeliners, what kind of makeup, here is the tutorial exactly for you. I will see you there. Bye.